Here we will discuss about Omnes++ training module. There are total 15 modules. It will complete in 40 hours and prerequisite for this course is C++ programming language. We will discuss about these modules step by step. First module is Omnet++ introduction. Here we have to cover introduction, what is Omnet++, discrete event simulation, architecture, components, aspects of Omnet++, what is mixing, the NED language, background mathematics, installing Omnet++ and INET. In next module, we have to cover Omnet++ programming. So here we have to cover programming the algorithms, the NED language, NED overview, the network, introducing a channel, the app, routing and queue simple modules, the node compound module, putting it together, simple modules, compound modules, channels and parameters. Finally, we have to cover launch. Third module is also based on Omnet++ programming. Here we have to cover gates, submodules, connection, multiple connections, parametric submodule and connection types, metadata annotations, properties, inheritance, and packages. Fourth module is based on simple modules, simulation concept, components, simple modules channels, defining simple module types, adding functionality to C simple module, accessing module parameters, accessing gates and connections, sending and receiving message, channels, stopping the simulation, finite state machine. So here we have to cover like how we can create components, how we can use submodules, how we can provide functionality in CC file using C simple module. Next one is also based in simple modules. Here we have to cover navigating the module hierarchy, direct method calls between modules, dynamic module creation, signals, signal based statistics recording. Next one is based on messages and packets. Like when we are creating connection between two nodes, so we have to send message and packets. So in this module, we will cover some practicals regarding like how we can use C message class, how we can use self message, how we can send packet between nodes. Next one is also based on message definition. Here we have to cover introduction, messages and packets, classes, struct, literal C++ blocks, using C++ type, customizing the generated class using standard container classes for fields, namespaces, descriptive classes. Like when we are creating any program in Omnet++, so we have to create NED file, initial file and CC file. In case of CC file, we have to create classes and we can also use structs and namespaces. Next one, like if you're talking about we are using here CC files, obviously we have to include header file like we can use string.h, omnet pp.h. So this one is part of simulation library. So in this module, we have to cover fundamentals, logging from modules, random number generators, generating number variates, container classes, routing support, C topology, pattern matching, statistics and distribution estimation, recording simulation results, watches and snapshots, defining new NAD functions, deriving new classes, object ownership management. Next one is visualization. When we are creating any program in Omnet++, so finally we have to see results and we have to analysis in form of tabular and graphical. So here we can use packages regarding visualization. So in this module, we have to cover like what is visualization, placement of visualization code, display strings, bubbles, the canvas and 3D visualization. Next part is simulation program. Like when we are running any Omnet program, so firstly we have to build, then after that we can run. So we will see here like how it can make files and we have to also see project features. Next module is configuring simulations. This one is related to INE file. Like when we are creating any Omnet project, so we have to create at least one NAD file, one INE file or one CC file. So INE file is known as configuration file. So in this module, we can see like how we can add different type of parameters in INE file, how we can generate random number in INE file. So all these things we have to cover in this module. Next module is running simulation. We have to run Omnet program. So it will use like T10V graphic user interface and Q10V graphic user interface. After running, we have to record results. So we can create results. Then we can record results using PCAP recorder. We can also use event log recording. and we can use further features. Next one, like event log. Event log is also part of recording results. Here we have to cover like how we can use event log in INE file, configuration file. Next one, texting. This one is theoretical part. We have to cover only theory, like what is op test tool, smoke test, fingerprint test, unit test, module test, and statical test. Finally, we have to cover some projects here, which will be regarding TCP/IP, TCP, UDP, Triple P, Ethernet, network protocols, 802.11, FDDI, token ring. So all we have to cover here. Now we again move on. Like what is Omnet? What is Mixim? What is NAD file? So we will discuss this one by one. So Omnet is actually simulator designed for fixed wired distributed systems such as computer networks, multiprocessor systems. It is discrete time simulator. It is mainly focused in communication networks. It run on Linux and Windows. It is C++ based simulator. It is free for academic and non-profit use. It is also provide graphic user interface support. It supports parallel execution, MPI based. Several component add-on libraries available. Several graphical interfaces allows easy debugging and variables inspection. And next one is like what is discrete event simulator? It is described as hierarchical nested models. Models communicate using messages through channels. Next one, if we are talking about what is mixing, this one is also simulator but mix simulator. It is used to simulate framework for wireless and mobile networks using the Omnet++ simulation. Engine Mixim is a merger of several Omnet++ frameworks written into support mobile and wireless simulations. Now next, like we discussed, we have to use one NAD file, one INE file, or one CC file. So first of all, we will discuss about like what is NAD language. The NAD language facilitates the modular description of a network. This means that a network description may consist of a number of component descriptions, channels, simple compound module types. The channel, simple modules, and compound modules of one network description can be reused in another network description. So it means we have to discuss like what is channel. It is possible to define a channel and assign it to a link. Channel properties like we can include here delay, propagation delay in seconds, error like we can use bit error rate, data rate we can include bandwidth used to calculating transmission time of a message. Next one, like when we are creating any NAD file, so we have to create here simple module, network and sub modules. So what is simple module? Under simple modules, we have to take simple module name to initiate gates like input and output. We can also add parameters keyword to declare other variables like time, bit error rate, bandwidth, and delay. Compound module, it is a combination of both simple and sub modules. Here we have to include simple modules, gates, parameters, sub modules, and connections. We have to write down sub modules coding part under network. So this one is actually introduction of Omnet++ training module. Thank you.